Namo Buddhaya. I would like to pay homage to Triple Gym, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Pay respect to Venerable Mahadam Pumasan and pay respect to all venerable monks. And good evening, everyone. I would like to invite you all to listen the Dhamma talk today with us, Venerable Mahadam, and me and I. Tonight would be surprise. Okay, invite Ajahn Mahadam say something.
Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, Namo Sanghaya. Pay respect Prajan Mahakamani and all venerable monks. And good evening, everyone. Today we have time to meet to Dhamma talk again.
Yeah.
And why we choose the topic patient today, because everyone patient for listen Dhamma talk for us. You have to be patient. Yeah, when you listen, we have the technical problem the same. It's normal life for nothing perfect. Yeah. And now Prajan Dongpanet, he's streaming now. But almost the end, I think. That's why we start live stream. Yeah. Okay, you can come to say hi. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, say hi and leave a question. If we can read, we saw your question. We will bring to talk. Okay, then Mahakamani, go ahead to our topic.
Okay. Go to lesson. Lesson the topic, right? Talk about Kanti. Kanti mean patient, right? Patient. Yeah. It's very good and very important for our action and everything. Yeah, you have to know about patient, waiting, patient waiting, and yeah, I very respect to people who have a patient waiting. Waiting to watch, to speak, to speak. When we very quick to would like to speak something, yeah, our mouth very quickly to want to speak,
respond.
But, yeah, respond, but we have to wait a minute to speak. We think concern about what we would like to respond or you would like to speak. That is proposed or no? That is real or no? That is get hurt someone or no? Yeah. Think first, but sometimes forgot to think about that. We have today the lesson is or patient, three of main level. Three main level as a practical guide. Yes. The first one is patient in enduring hardship and physical suffering.
Physical.
Yeah.
Physical suffering.
Physical suffering. Second one is patient in enduring emotional hurt. Forbearance toward others. The third one is patient in resisting development self-restraint. Yes, it's very, very important.
Yeah.
Can you explain first one?
For easy to understand, the first one that you be patient with the physical suffering. Second one, you have be patient about mental suffering.
Okay.
And the third one, you have be patient with the emotional แล้วก็ emotional แล้วก็ your emotional or your feeling or your unwholesome unwholesome thought come to your head and your be patient. Yeah. And the first one แล้วก็ be patient in physical suffering. It means you be patient when you get hot, you get cold, right? You get pain. Like I thought about pain meditation. Just be patient to pain when you get hurt, when you get sick, when you everything from the physical body. You get pain. You get when you walk a lot, you're hungry. You have be patient with the physical suffering. Yeah.
Think about the people who working hard outside.
Yeah.
In farm.
This is the easy one because it's the is in outside right? In outside in the physical body. outside. We can feel, we can is very strong, and we can feel, we can be patient with this. This is the first level. But if you have the strong mindful enough, you have to be patient in the mental suffering, like your sad, right? Your sadness, your upset, your feeling, your disappointment, right? Disappointment.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the mental suffering. Sometimes you are broken heart, right? Broken heart, or you need something, but you don't receive that, and you very suffer. Sometimes you don't want something, you don't want someone, but something or someone come to your life, you very suffer. Yeah. And sometimes someone make a promise with you, but they cannot do like they cannot do they promised you, and you very suffer from them. That's we call the mental suffering. Yeah. And or your your have more expectation to something or someone, but you don't get you have expectation. That's your suffer.
Yes.
And the last one, the third level, right? The third level is very important. Then physical suffering, be patient in physical suffering, and then be patient in mental suffering. That mean the emotional, right? Emotional, you got patient in listening, self retreat, self restraint, resisting deferment. Yeah. Yeah. That mean you be patient when the something unwholesome pop in your mind. But you can you be patient, you can control your mind. For example, you want you have have chance to do something, but it's something is bad. But at time you can control yourself. You can control your mind. Don't do that. This is bad thing. That means you can control yourself. That means you have to be patient in your emotional. Yeah.
For example, Venerable, someone think about to drink and to hang out with friend every Friday. Every Friday. Yeah. But that time they went to hang out, and they very drunk, and cannot control themselves. After they after that after that they think about, oh, I would like to stop like this. I would like to stop, but Friday come again. Friday think about it again. Go to hang out again. That sometimes they cannot control. But if your mind mindful and strong, you can do it. You can control yourself, and everything is you think about that thing is bad, no good. You must to talk to yourself first. Talk to yourself first. Yes, everything. There's control.
Control.
Yeah.
Control your
Yourself.
unwholesome thought.
Yeah,
And
no thought.
I think the key to control the unwholesome thought, like this desire come to your you have desire, you have unwholesome, you have
Yeah.
selfish.
Yes, selfish.
Yes, selfish. Yeah, you the important thing to control them, that from the you be mindful. Mindfulness is the key to control. Your thinking or your unwholesome thought is like a like a child, like a darknet.
Darknet.
Yeah.
People.
When the light come, the darknet gone, right?
Oh,
When what's the percent of the light? The light is that mean mindfulness.
mindfulness.
If
Yeah.
you don't have mindfulness, that means you don't have light. The
Yeah.
darknet come, unwholesome thought come.
Yeah. And another one, the unwholesome represent mic or mouth, and the còn mèo
Mèoกับหนู
and the cat represent to
Tom and Jerry.
to my right.
แล้วก็ Tom and Jerry.
Mindful. When the cat come, when the mindful come, the rest or the mouse will run away. อยู่บ้านเฮาเนาะก็อยู่นี่ก็คือสิบ่ไปหรอกหนูบ่ย่านแมวอยู่นี่
It's the same.
But over here the mouse is that's not scared to the cat. But in my hometown it's very very scared. Yeah, very scared. The rat is very scared. The cat. When the cat come, the rat is go away.
Yeah. And try to develop your patience. When you know, I think is the challenge ourselves for when we know, we know we have patience, right? We have be patient. When we have patience, we know when we patient about our physical body suffering. We know, we can be patient in physical body. That our patience is in level 1, right?
Yes.
When we feeling sad, when we have feeling sad, we have the we have disappointment, or we have upset, or we have sadness. We know we can be patient about that, and we know we have our patient is have level 2, right? Level 2.
Yeah.
But when we can control our mind to not do something what we
Yeah.
want, what we need, but
Mhm.
we know is a bad thing, right?
Mm.
But we
Yeah.
can control to stop our action.
Mm.
It start from our thinking first.
Yeah.
That means our patience is very high. Yeah,
Yes.
like a
Mhm.
high patient. We have the level 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people say my patient have a limit.
Yeah.
Don't do like that, because my patient have a limit. That means your patient almost gone. Yeah.
I have story
Mhm.
about my patient have a limit.
Mhm.
Uh, when I was young,
Mhm.
I was 6 years old, something like that.
Mm.
I went to rice farm with my father.
Mm.
That time walk around two 2 kilometer, two
Mm.
kilometer to
Mm.
get the small house in the
Mm.
farm. That time my father give me 2 coconut,
Mm.
like a coconut made mature coconut
Mhm.
is heavy, yes.
Mhm.
But he 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 know I can carry the 2 hand, right? 2 hand, another side, one of the side.
Mhm.
First, we walk. It's okay, but for long time,
Mhm.
very very heavy,
Yeah.
very heavy. I make them together, and
Mm.
uh, I have to carry, but it's very heavy for long time walks. I have to
Mm.
patient for my physical body.
Mhm.
Yeah, I have to patient. I walk, and I try to patient in emotion too, emotion like how to speak to my father to ask him. Uh, no, I don't want to ask him. I
Mhm.
scared, and when he ยังก็หายนะ
Yeah.
ไม่ใช่นะ
พูดกัน
maybe he will yell at me.
อือฮึ
That easy to carry, right?
อืม
But he have something very heavy to uh, take on her shoulder,
อืม
and a lot of things he um, he carry.
อืม
In the halfway, I start to cry because
อื
I
ม
very walk very slow,
อืม
far from him, because he is very walk very fast.
อืม
I start to slow and not cry that time. When he
อืม
asked me, come to uh, why you walk slow? I start to cry. I start to cry. I say, it's very heavy. And he told me, he asked me, why you don't tell me? I don't talk anything. I just cry only. And he get from me another thing, and he carry by himself. I walk alone. I walk without anything. Yeah, this sometimes is patient is have limit. Yeah, have limit. Some emotion and
This is the patient to physical body, right? Physical suffering because you're heavy.
Yeah.
I think many people they have a problem. In some people they very good at like a patient in physical
In writing.
suffering. Physical suffering. They have very strong mind, very have strong patience. But many people they don't have they cannot be patient in the someone in word in the word in someone word.
Yes.
When someone talk to you like in the bad thing, the bad side, bad way, you can be patient.
Second one, right? Second one.
Second one.
Yeah, emotion hurt. I always teach about the patient in emotion. I teach about you think about some the word is like a air, right? And the word is air, but the words cannot hurt you by the body or by the physical body. Think about that is view gone right away when someone talk is disappear after that. Don't focus about that. But a lot of people focus on that, focus on the point on that. But some word is very good, some word is very beautiful. They don't focus that, just focus in the hard word. And then cry. Another day, cry again. Yeah. Some we can represent to arrow. You say arrow. When you got arrow hit you, right? Some people just one time to take arrow out, and some people take out one time, but another time they put in again, put and take out, put and take out. But the bad guy ก็ยิง arrow to just one time.
Shoot.
Yeah, the bad guy shoot you only one time. but you take out and put in, take out and put in. Every single you think about the arrow. It is very hard to.
Yeah.
Very hard. Even you learn a lot of Buddha teaching. Let it go. Let it go. But your mind is very hard to practice. It's very hard to practice.
It's right.
Let it
Right.
go. Right. Even you happy. Even you very peaceful, but that thing come to you, like the bad word come to you. You must to attack first, and then think about later. Yeah, if you practice a lot, you must to attack first time, and later you let it go right away. But you feel first, but later you can forget and let it go. Just for me, only one day to feel that. and another day is gone. How about you, Jamhadam? How long you feel about the word?
The word. No, just I not just I don't care. I don't care about all the someone like the. I just think about is the real. If they say the real, I can fix myself. Because if they say the real is my mistake, right? I can fix myself. But if they say the not real, not true, because I don't care. Yeah. Then Mahakamani, not Rose connection. Yeah. And many people suffer from the someone word. Even though you are the noble person in level 1 of noble person, like a Sotapan, but you still suffer from the someone word to they say bad word to you. Like for example, when the Buddha stay alive, he stay at the in Kosampi, right? Kosampi city, and in that Kosampi city, the Buddha have a problem with the queen of Kosampi city, because when the queen she was the villager daughter, the Buddha deny her, because her parents saw the Buddha. The Buddha is very handsome. They think, oh, that man is a very handsome. I want to give our daughter to him, because the daughter is the queen is very beautiful in the world. Many family come to us for their daughter, but they don't allow. But when when they saw the Buddha, they want to give the daughter to the Buddha. but they don't know it's about the Buddha, because that time the Buddha just become a Buddha, the new one, Buddha new one. Yeah. And that's why when they bring the daughter to the Buddha deny her. I don't like your I don't want your daughter. I don't want to touch your daughter, because he say in our body is a very very dirty. In eye we have the
Dirty.
dirty, yeah, dirty
Dirty
here
eyes.
in nose, in ear, in mouth. We have the very very dirty come from our body, and I don't want to touch your daughter. That's why she very angry to the Buddha. But when she become a queen, become a queen in the Kosampi city, when the Buddha come and she pay give the money to the slave, and told the slave to say bad word to the Buddha. Yeah, when the Buddha come to the village to collect the food, to round, they say bad word to the Buddha. They are many very very bad word.
Yes.
The Buddha just walk, no respond, no react with the bad word. But the Ananta, Venerable Ananta, he has he is the Buddha brother, Buddha disciple. He cannot be patient with that word. Just ask the Buddha, please Buddha, go to somewhere, leave from this city, because this city not welcome us. The Buddha asked, where we gonna go? Just go to the somewhere, go to
Another city.
Go to Vesali, or go to Savatthi, go to Rashakaha. The Buddha said, if we go over there, is someone say bad word to us, what do we do? Okay, we have to move again. The Buddha say, if we go many way and they say bad word to us, where we gonna go? We don't have the place to stay. The Buddha say, I be patient. I have be patient with someone say bad word to me, like a elephant warrior to come to the battlefield. The elephant warrior have be patient from the arrow from 8 direction, 8 direction to the body. That's me too. I be patient in the we call be patient to the 8 worldly condition. 8 worldly condition. That mean 8 worldly condition is mean 1, gain, second one, gain, loss, status, loss of status, and praise and criticism, and pleasure or happiness, and suffering. That's the word 8 worldly condition that we have to be patient. And if we think about that, it can reduce our anger, we can be more patient.
We get suffer.
Because we know when the good thing or bad thing come to our life, we can be patient with
Oh God. Venerable Mahadam, where you go?
Okay, sorry guys.
Yeah.
The electric gone.
Oh, really?
Everything is the darkness. Yeah. Just come again.
Yeah.
What did I say?
You say about I forgot.
Yeah, just know the age, what the age very condition can help you to be patient with to facing to the again again.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh,
Okay.
what happened?
Uh,
Raining?
no. Maybe someone hit the electric pole 2 times. Second time.
It can happen.
Mhm.
If you stay alone, maybe you scare.
No, I'm not scared.
Someone. You know, in my temple, my temple building is very old, 100 year, more than 100 year. But people come, they cannot go downstairs by themselves. Just call someone. Just call someone go with them.
You know, when I was when I first time when I become a samanera, become a monk, I very I am very scared person.
Oh, really?
Very strong scare because
Ghost? Some ghost?
yeah, I don't know, but in my imagine I can imagine to see something is very scary.
Your hair is very stand up.
Yeah, because I always stay with my mom, but when I become a monk, we don't have electric in the temple before. 26 years ago, we don't have the electric. We don't have the lighter.
Yeah.
Just only use the candle.
Yes.
It's very scary for me to stay like that. But I scare the teacher. Then I
More
scare the teacher. Then I scare anything. Yeah.
No. You don't scare teacher, but you scare some ไม่เลี้ยวนะว่าจะเรียกไม่เลี้ยว
sick.
Yeah, you scared strict. Huh?
Sick แม่นบ่
You you scare yeah wait
Birch.
you scare birch
birds
อ้าวไม่เรียว
Birch.
ดี
yeah
yeah.
but I reduce my scare because I go to retreat in the some in the forest
Yeah.
in the temple in the forest you know when we find somewhere to sleep we just find the under the tree
Yeah.
and I pick the far space from all the people far location
Oh,
but
yeah.
in the day it's very very peaceful very good for me because
Yeah.
it's far away from other
Yeah.
but at night you know I stay by myself I really very scared I scared like my soul like out of my body yeah.
Yes.
But
Oh.
I be patient to I very strong focus on my breathing and my heartbeat and I feel like my heartbeat like will come out of my body you know
Yeah.
it's very strong but I have the be patient and be mindful to
Yeah.
focusing I don't focus on the breathing but I just focus on my heartbeat
Yeah.
and then long time many I think it's maybe almost 1 hour and then I open my eye first time I cannot sleep because I very scared I just sit and meditate and close my eye but when I open my eye and I say oh, nothing happened to me but why I have to scare that from that day I never scare anymore
You know some monks go to retreat at the forest temple at forest temple but forest temple is very close to cemetery cremation place
not close but in the temple
yeah I heard from story from venerable who practice yeah many people first day is very scared to sleep alone at night because they have small kuti small house for sleep only for meditate and sleep just don't have anything just for like a box right and have the roots yeah and at nighttime have something like a walk around he is very scared like a oh I have I แบบว่าโดนซะแล้ว พี่ดอก โดนแล้วเล่นงานแล้วlike he think he got some god come to pray with him because he know about people talk about the some spirit come to your house your room and play something to you. But that night, he heard about sound like a walk around. It's a lot of dry leaf around, right? And his wall is very very light and very have some sound, right? The wall of the small kuti. Something. What? He think about a spirit, some spirit like knock the knock the wall. He is very scared. Like his spirit, his spiritual like out of the body. He think about, I would like to see. I go to see first. He saw the ball. The ball. Why is his the tail of the ball like hit the knock the door. Yeah, he saw the ball and the boys go far away. After that, and next day he didn't scare again. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. If we have about the story of we scare is many story, right? But okay, come back to you to our topic. But scare is if you can patient with your scare, that means you have the second level.
Yeah.
To your patient to scare emotion. Yeah.
Emotion. Emotion. Yeah. First one is for your body and patient, and second one is patient of emotion. Third one is patient for your mind, patient of your mind think. Yeah. Is very important. And if we have this one, this Dhamma Khanti, if we have this Khanti, it make you beautiful and very handsome. Yeah, this Dhamma is make people who practice very beautiful person and very handsome person.
That mean you have the high EQ,
Yeah.
right? EQ is EQ. What is EQ? That's EQ.
Emotional.
Yeah, emotional. high EQ you can control, and you can like a adult, like when the children they have the patience, they look like a adult.
Yes. It's very good Dhamma talk tonight. Yes.
IQ. No IQ, EQ. EQ this mean
EQ.
IQ that mean you're smart, right? You're smart, you're think, but EQ.
EQ is
emotional.
Emotional.
Like I don't know.
Emotional. You are emotional smart.
You know, in
Your mind. Yeah.
emotional quantity.
ฉลาดทางอารมณ์ emotional by mind by emotion บ่แม่น smart you're smart by emotion emotional
Yeah.
yes and it's not all people have this because they don't know about to pay attention on emotion
คนชิน
I saw a lot of people they say I can't do it I can't have patience about emotional because I hurt a lot I get hurt a lot in my emotion before now cannot control cannot control like I can't stay I just shaking I can stay normal just shaking yeah when hurt something but someone say I would respond right away because they say not true yeah they say not true they say something bad to me not true yeah I have to respond right away think about that think about that you know Ajahn Mahadam the Buddha teach about speaking Buddha teach about speaking the word would we should say the word
What?
Like something true but we cannot say if that true thing is not have a purpose บ่มีประโยชน์นะ
มีประโยชน์
not no have benefit
no have
yeah
I don't know
yes it's too hard too hard to practice and you can stop your mind to you can stop your speak something bad but you cannot control someone stop someone speak bad word to you right we cannot control them but one day they come to be us like they know about how to control how to practice
Mm.
they would be stopped to talking bad word
Mm.
better.
Mm.
Mm.
And someone don't understand the third patient.
Third patient,
Can you please explain more about third patient, please?
emotional.
Yeah, level third,
Level,
level three.
level third. Oh, level third is for our mind. For our mind, like
Your 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 feeling, your need. No, but for example, the first one, you will be patient to the physical
yep.
suffering.
Mm.
The second one, you are be patient to the with the mental suffering.
Mental.
Yeah, you're sad, you're upset. Yeah,
Mm.
but the third one, you be patient to your unwholesome, you are selfish, you are like you can, like for example, if someone talk to you, right, talk to
Mm.
you, that means you're feeling, you be patient, but you don't respond. Your mind is, I want to respond, I want to react, I want to
Mm.
say a bad word back,
Right. Mm-hmm.
but you can control your mind. Don't say the bad word.
Mm.
Stop saying the bad word to that person,
Mm.
someone who say bad word to you. That means that you are, sometimes it's a level 2 and level 3,
Mm.
come together. Sometimes level 1 and level 3
Mm.
come together.
Yeah.
That means you can stop your saying, your
Mm.
doing
Mm.
anything, but you're in your mind, you're only thinking, but you don't
Mm-hmm.
react by your action or your speak or
Yeah.
your speech. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
that is clear.
Maybe
Maybe. Yeah.
like sometimes you think about laziness. Sometimes sometimes you think about laziness. Oh, I don't want to do that. I
Lazy. Yeah.
feeling lazy.
Mm-hmm.
That is the you may pay
Mm-hmm.
patient on laziness. You must to wake up and go do it now.
Mm.
Yeah, do something now. Someone think about, oh, today is very cold. I
Mm.
I would not work outside.
Mm.
Sometimes it's, oh, today is very hot. I will not go to work. Something like that. You must you must to have a patient on it. Yeah, and sometimes you think about unwholesome thing, and some people have a habit, you know, นิสัยที่ว่า
Character, habit, habit.
have to do something not purpose to uh, to write, like go to pay somewhere, not not good for your life. Yeah, when you do that, uh, after you did bad thing, you
Mm.
have to suffer, right?
Mm.
Suffer, and next day or another day, another week, another month, you do again. You do that again. That it make you suffer again, right? If you have a person on it, you can stop that, and you come to be peaceful and happy. Understand?
Okay, I think it's the time.
Oh.
1 hour.
Oh.
Yeah. I think it's today we talk about the patient in Buddhism. We have to be level. Be patient in level 1. Be patient physical suffering. Second one is be patient in mental suffering, and the third one be patient your feeling, right? In your feeling or your unwholesome thought, your desire.
I have a bonus one. I have bonus one is another one. If you feeling sad, right? Feeling sadly, you may have a person on it and change your mind, manage your mind to do something different, different things sad. Yeah. Don't be sad for whole day. Go to listen some podcast. Go to do something with other people. Yeah, your mind is very excited. Exercise your mind, and you'll be happy.
How exercise your mind like a thinking.
No, like go to somewhere to talk to someone.
Oh, okay.
Someone have a question, conversation, and don't stay with yourself if you feeling sad, right?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone who listen Dhamma talk today together, learn together, go to together. We will try to live stream every day. Try to live stream every day. But if someday we busy, we cannot live stream. Just waiting for the next day. Be patient to listening for the next day. Okay, Ajahn Mahakuni, can you brush us before we leave?
Okay. I would like to wishing you all who come to watching and learning Dhamma talk tonight. Wishing you happy and peaceful. Sapitiyo yuwachantu saparoko vinasatu mati pavat vantarayo sukitikayu bhava piwatana sirisani jang vutta pacayino Jataro Dhamma Vatanti Ayu Vanno Sukhang Parang.
Sadhu. Good night, everyone.